In this course, your focus won't be watching these videos. It'll be changing the way you make content. Your focus will be implementing new behaviors to make you a better content creator. And you don't do this by watching. You do this by doing, right? Because to be someone you've never been, you have to do things you've never done. If all you do is watch videos, but don't actually do the homework, you'll never get better. And this whole course will have been a big waste of your hard-earned money and your time. So from this moment on, you are a student. Okay, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but by taking this course, you no longer have the luxury of scrolling TikTok for hours on end for fun. No. Every single time you open that app, you're a student. Now, the first behavior you will implement is called the content audit. And yes, I know you haven't even learned a thing about content creation yet, but this is something that you can actually start today. So look in your calendar, find 1 hour per week that you can consistently attend. This will be your meeting with the CEO. Did I mention that that was also you? What I mean here is never miss this meeting, okay? The topic of this meeting will change over time, but for now, it'll be used to audit content. Now, even though your meeting with the CEO may be scheduled for next week, I want you to try tonight or as soon as possible, basically. So tonight or whenever your next scrolling window comes about, creating new TikTok account. Don't worry about all the specifics, just open a new account or use the one that you created for your content creation efforts, whatever niche that's in, whatever niche you want to post in, make or use that account, and then scroll through and find content from creators that are doing what you want to do and take notes, okay? I want you seeing which ones hooked you to the end. I want you dissecting those posts. I'm talking, what was their first sentence? Write it down. Did they have a title text above their head? Write it down. What was in their description? Write it down. How was their lighting? Were they inside, outside? What did they teach? Did they sell, share? Were they smiling, laughing, crying, angry? Did they say something to stir the pot? Did they have a call to action, like comment your thoughts below or follow me for tips or whatever? I want you pulling details out of every post that performs well. I want you to devour them. Okay, I have a notebook, yes, a literal notebook. I have hundreds of pages of notes, and I still do this every single week. So my process is to pull out my phone when I'm bored or whatever, and I'll scroll. And when I see something that I like or that I think will make my content better, or that maybe there's something that I want to try that's in that video, or maybe I got hooked to the end, I want to bookmark it. And bookmarking is solely reserved for this purpose. Do not use your bookmarks on this account for anything else, okay? It seems like a lot at once. I know I just kind of word vomited. I know we haven't learned really what content even is, but we're already auditing content. Yes, this is just the way this works, okay? Because this is so essential. In order to succeed and eventually learn how to stand out and make our own content, we must first understand what the current state of our niche is. What's trending now? Who's trending now? So just get in there, find videos of people who are doing what you want to do, comment, like, watch, and bookmark. Then once a week, in your meeting with the CEO, sit down, scroll through your bookmarked videos from the past week, and tear apart each one like I mentioned before. No rubric, there's no grading scale, okay? Just write down what's good about the video, what kept you watching, what do you want to try? And the reason why this is so impactful again is because these are videos that are doing well right now, literally this past week. These aren't videos that performed well when this course was published. Now you can do this every single week forever, and you'll always be caught up on what's hot. So the more scrolling through dog videos or trick shots, whatever you watch, no, okay? Every time you open the app, you're a student. And we'll go over how to intentionally create a new TikTok account later in this training. But for now, just get in there. And on this new or specific account, don't follow any accounts outside your niche. Yes, even if they're super entertaining. You see, your job is now to master the most addictive app ever made. If you allow its addictive and distracting power to grab hold of you, it's a surefire way to tank your hope that your business has of succeeding. So I can't tell you how many wasted nights I had with the intention of working, and then I got sucked in and wasted my whole night, okay? So as long as you're taking this course, I want you scrolling and bookmarking videos that grab you or that perform really well. This is the third time I'm saying it. We're going to choose a night. We're going to go through all of them. We'll have a lesson later in this course about the right way to audit content, but for now, you don't need any other direction to start this practice right now. So after all that, okay, write this down. Schedule your weekly meeting with the CEO. Then this week, as you scroll, follow creators that are doing what you want to be doing, and bookmark only the posts that you found to be effective in some way. Then tonight, or as soon as you can, review the bookmarked videos and take notes. I do this for an hour, which typically is about 20-ish videos, okay? We'll talk about what to do with these later, but start the practice now, okay? So have fun, and I'll see you in the next lesson.